I will just give you my insight how to copy this game, right? For example, just this is slot MMO, the one that's still active until today. It has daily, I think, some kind of weekly update. If you want to have this one, you can go to here. There's two types. You can just create a community project and you will type load MMO. See? Or you can just go to here. This is the description about this. You can see this has 1000 commits. So if you are a beginner, it's good to what do you call it? To see and read the project because it's good. You can see this one. This is something for what do you call it? For us to read, like this one, right? You can see in this UI. This is a good a good framework for you. So you can just copy the style and put it in yours. But I will show you how we can copy this one. So you go to load MMO and just copy this. And you can go to CMD. I already installed GitHub. So I just go to document and I see there, see my games, right? You can see there I have Core and Fallout. Just use Core and see there, go to save, right? Save and see, go to maps. And if you see this one, you can see this one, right? You can see this. You have a beginner and also another one, and you can see this is the same thing as if you want to create the project. You can see beginner, testing, producer, and others, right? In here I don't have a load MMO, but I can copy this one. So I'm going to say git clone in here and just copy this standard MMO, and I'm just copying and just say that it's load MMO test, right? So you can clone everything. Just wait until 100%. And there's a lot of going on here, right? Okay, you see this one, right? Yeah. You can see there's what they call it, load MMO test, and you can see here there's load MMO test. Oh, you can just go back in here with us. Just wait. Okay, and just go to your game, and you can see load MMO. See, you have this one, load MMO, environment shaman, environment soccer, and warlock, and also others, right? You just copy that and you can get into this one. You can get everything in here. Okay, so this what they call it, this one GitHub has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There is 9. So every class has a different game in here. Yeah, and I want to copy this one. I will go to load MMO test site here, its status. See, you can see get emote. Sorry, emote. See? So originally you can go to git MMO if you push to the main, right? Origin main. So I will add another origin. I will go to my GitHub. GitHub, and I will have core in here, CoreGames. See, CoreGames, right? And in here you can just, I have a main which is empty. This is good. This is the empty one. So I'm just gonna copy this one, and I will give a git remote, right? Add task for this one, and add this one. Okay, git branch. Oh, sorry, git branch. Git status. I will create another git checkout p maybe loop mmo, right? Git status. See, loop mmo, and I will say git push test loop mmo. Okay, see, in here I can see this. I have another branch. This is the memo that I copy, right? And then in here we can open it with Visual Unity. So you go to the command call and go to the save and go to maps, right? And just open the loop memo test, right? And select over here. See, you can see everything in here, and you can see the, what we call it, all of in here, right? The important one that I see is the framework, and you can see the data and script in here. You can see the this is in here, right? You can see this. This is the UI. I think I see G somewhere. Calling a class. I think that's the important one. This is a lot of thing. Yeah, there's a lot of thing, right? This is the, what we call it, logic in here. A lot of logic in here. Aquatic and others. Yeah, something that you can search in here, right? This is a good thing. Okay, and I think that's all for now. You can copy another project to your core depending on what you copy. Okay, so if you already copy this one, you can use this, you can edit this. And you can see if you, it will go, what we call it, to load all the thumbnail that needed, right? And we can see he created different scene for this one. This is the main, the quick cabin weapon test, and dungeon tile test, and white box and others. You can see this one. You can see this readme, right? They have poker, pinball, and quest. This is a good documentation for this one, and you can read this one also in here, right? And you can just play this one. See, you can also see this one, right? And you can see even log that show. This one is just duplicated even, that's fine. You can see everything that in here, and you can see the setting, spawn, and others, right? It seems that can test this by yourself. See, if we change this one, right? Wait a minute. I cannot lock that. You can see the window in here, and you can see the performance and others, and maybe something that you need of editor and others, but I don't think we need to go that far, right? You can just comment the warning or remove the info, right? Just remove the error. It's up to you. But that's all for now. Yeah. Happy editing. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.